Thank you so much, Sweet Joy. Wow, galing kumanta. In fairness, maraming salamat, Sweet Joy, ha? Ang alin, Sweet Joy, sabi ni Kuya Rom. This time naman, guys, Lay, may bagong si...
Bueno.
听起来有人正在享受健达缤纷乐 Sound
Ayan, may
Breaks。
bagong si
无论
Bill
你现在
Conso.
感觉
At paanohin
energized 或者
natin?
有点 chill， 都有健达缤纷乐 Sound Breaks
Ay,
陪
Diyos
你
ko,
度过
may padala sa
快到
akin
全
lang.
台通路寻找限定款健达缤纷乐
Okay, dito naman
扫描
tayo.
包装上的
Sa
QR
Fernando.
code。
Ay, di ba may mga inahanap tayong mga kanta kanina nila ang pangalan? Fernando pa pala, di ba? May Fernando pa? Bro, Bill Conso. Ayan.
And here comes Fernando. I remember long ago another starry night like this. In the firelight, Fernando, you were humming to yourself and softly strumming your guitar. I could hear the distant drums and sounds of bugle calls were coming from my heart. They were closer now, Fernando. Every hour, every minute seems to last eternally. I was so afraid, Fernando. We were young and full of life, and none of us prepared to die. And I'm not ashamed to say the roar of guns and cannons almost made me cry. There was something in the air that night. The stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining there for you and me, for liberty, Fernando. Though we never thought that we could lose, there's no regret. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. Now you're old and gray, Fernando. Since many years I haven't seen the rifle in your hand. Can you hear the drums, Fernando? Do you still recall the fateful night we crossed the Rio Grande? I could see it in your eyes how proud you were to fight for freedom in this land. There was something in the air that night. The stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining